Today, you gotta eat coconut prawns with lime aioli. It's a you gotta eat quickie. On your marks, get set, go! Into half a cup of mayonnaise, chop 2 cloves of garlic and the juice and zest of 1 lime. Mix the aioli and put it aside. Half a cup of flour, an egg with 2 tablespoons of water, and half a cup of panko breadcrumbs with half a cup of desiccated coconut. Right, we dust the prawns in the flour. Prawns are all crumbed, ready to go in the fryer. Heat the oil on a medium heat and add the crumb prawns. Cook the prawns on both sides until they're golden brown. Oops. I made a better rice for the prawns and steamed some green vegetables to go with them. It's time for the judge. That's delicious. The judge says 10 out of 10. That's a gold medal for the coconut prawns with lime aioli. If you like that recipe, subscribe, ring that bell, leave a comment down below, especially if there's something you'd like me to cook. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao.